Welcome back to Smart, where we help you make purchasing decisions that won't leave you feeling like you just got robbed at a yard sale. Today, we're diving deep into the world of steam cleaning with a showdown between the Shark S7001 mop and the GorFanty steam mop. It's the battle of the mops. Who will take home the title of Ultimate Floor Cleaner? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The Shark S7001 mop is often praised for being a cost-effective solution, as many reviewers mention how it is easy to use and efficient for homes with pets, making it a great value. However, the GorFanty steam mop is priced around $119 and is considered a worthy investment by users who highlight its versatility and multifunctionality. Reviewers appreciate the quality and range of cleaning tasks it can handle, making it a much-loved product despite its higher price tag. Now, let's get into functionality. The Shark S7001 is noted for its user-friendly design and quick cleaning capabilities, especially in homes with multiple pets. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight nature and effectiveness on hard floors. However, it lacks some versatility compared to the GorFanty, which offers a 10-in-1 solution. Reviewers rave about the GorFanty's detachable handheld cleaner and various attachments that allow it to tackle multiple surfaces, from floors to windows. The GorFanty is like your overachieving cousin, who not only brings snacks but also does magic tricks. Next, we're heating things up. The GorFanty's steam reaches a scorching 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which reviewers love for its ability to deep clean without chemicals. This makes it effective against tough stains and grime. Meanwhile, the Shark S7001 is great at sanitization, but doesn't heat up as effectively, often leaving reviewers wanting more in terms of steam power. If you want a mop that can handle stubborn stains, the GorFanty is your best bet. Let's talk usability. The Shark S7001 is praised for its lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver. Reviewers enjoy how easy it is to operate, but some wish for additional features. On the other hand, the GorFanty not only has a longer cord, but also adjustable steam settings and a flexible design. Many users have noted that it is easy to use and maneuver, even in tricky spaces, making cleaning feel less like a workout while still being effective. After putting these two mops through the ringer, it's clear that while both have their strengths, the GorFanty steam mop is the more versatile and powerful option. The Shark S7001 is favored for its affordability and ease of use, especially in pet-friendly homes. However, the GorFanty's multifunctionality and steam capability make it a top choice for those looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution. Alright folks, after comparing these two mops, it's clear that the GorFanty steam mop takes the crown for versatility and power. The Shark S7001 is great if you want a simple mop, but if you want a cleaning miracle, GorFanty is your mop mate. So if you're ready to buy smart and make your cleaning life easier, check out the GorFanty steam mop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.